Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of XMR, FIL that is Filecoin, ALGO that is ALGO, XTZ and Near protocol. Before starting the technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis. The first coin is XMR against the USDC on 1 day time frame. If we look at the trend of this coin, currently this coin was consolidating in this ascending triangle formation, where it had a resistance of 231.66. And if you look at these candles have given a breakout above this ascending triangle formation, and after that breakout they have exposed three targets on upside, where its first target is at around 250. The second target is at 269 and the final target is around 287 after this breakout. If you want to go for buying into this coin, so you need to make sure that you get buying prices at a breakout level, that is 231.66, and after that you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below 208 level. And after that your three targets will be on upside, where the first target will be at 250, second target will be at 269 and final target will be 287. So don't forget to do your own research before your investment. The next coin is FIL. If we look at the FIL against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in its downtrend, where it gave the breakdown of this triangle formation when it gave the closing below 4.70 in this candle. After that, it exposed the final target of 2.802, and that target was the strong support on 1 day time frame according to these levels. And if you look at the wick of this candle has already achieved its final target. Currently prices are consolidating at 3.276. If you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin, then this coin can give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point will be at 4.084. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength, and that strength level is also 4.084. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend, and we will get initial confirmation of its uptrend when it will give closing above 4.084. The next coin is the ALGO. So if we look the ALGO against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is consolidating, where where it has two support of this consolidation zone and one resistance of this consolidation zone. If we discuss the resistance of this consolidation zone, it is at 0.3869, and if we discuss the first support of this consolidation zone, it is at 0.1873, and the second support, that is a strong support on 1 day time frame according to this level, that is first it is a support level on 1 day time frame according to this level, and secondly it is a support of this channel formation. If we suppose it is a channel formation, then it would be a support of this channel formation as well. So this is a strong support level, that is 0.1052. If you want to go for buying into this coin, you need to make sure that you get your buying prices closer to 0.1052, and after that you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below these levels, and after that you can go for you can wait for its resistance, and you can book your profit at its resistance level, that is 0.3869. And the second scenario is and the second scenario for buying is that its prices start coming to upside and it give closing above 0.3869, and then you will not wait for these support levels for buying. You will simply go for buying above this level after breakout, that is 0.3869, and you can expect that your first target will be around 0.4930, and your final target will be against the near highest level, that would be around 0.6029. So first we need to make sure that first it give breakout above this level, that is 0.3869, then we can hold it for above two levels. But as for now it is in this consolidation zone, so we will just stick to our first scenario. So where our first support is at 0.1873 and our final support is at 0.1052. So the next coin is XTZ. So if we look at the trend of XTZ against USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is in its downtrend, where it gave the breakdown of this symmetrical triangle formation when it gave the closing below 1.193 in this candle. After that it exposed the final target of 0.742, that was a strong support on 1 day time frame according to these levels. And if you look at the week of this candle, in this big green candle, this target has already been achieved. Currently prices are consolidating at 0.833. If you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin, then this coin can give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is at 1.009. And as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength, and that strength level is also 1.009. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. So we will get its initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give closing above 1.009. So this level is very important in this coin. So the next coin is near protocol. So if we discuss the trend of near against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in its downtrend. In its downtrend, it gave the breakdown of this flag formation when it gave the closing below 5.175 in this coin. After that, it exposed the final target of 2.706. That was the final target for this flag formation. And if you look at the wick of this candle has already achieved its final target. Currently, prices are consolidating at a 3.325. If you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin, then this coin can give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point will be at 4.064. And as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength, and that strength level is also 4.064. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend, and we will get initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give closing above 4.064. So in this video I have discussed these coins on a 1 day time frame. If you want to get alerts on smaller time frame like a 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, or 30-minute time frame, so for those kind of alerts you can join my free Telegram and Facebook groups. Their links are given in the video description. So that's all for now. See you in next video.